Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019, Module 4, SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Update names. Adjust defined names for clarity. Step 2. Calculate loan. Find loan amount by subtracting down payment from price. Step 3. Create names. Establish names for ease of calculation. Step 4. Monthly payment. Use PMT function for monthly payment calculation. Step 5. Interest and cost. Determine total interest and overall cost. Step 6. Data comparison. Set up table to compare payment variations. Step 7. Format highlighting. Highlight matching rate and adjust borders.
Step 8. Scenario analysis. Calculate payments and loan amounts for different scenarios. Step 9. Printing setup. Define print area and hide unnecessary sheets. Step 10. Error resolution. Address formula errors on equipment loan sheet. Step 11. Enhanced visibility. Highlight optional payments for clarity. Step 12. Final review and submission. Ensure accuracy, save changes, and prepare for submission. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.